गोंयान पयले आयुष मेडिसिनाचे केंद्र कुठ्ठाळे पंचायत वाठारांत कुठ्ठाळे प्राथमीक भलायकी केंद्रान कुठ्ठाळेचे आमदार आलिना साल्ढाणाच्या हस्तुकी केला. कुठ्ठाळेच्या लोकांक आतां आयुर्वेदीक वखदां भलायकी केंद्राचेर फुकट मेळटलीं अशें उक्तावणा उपरांत आमदार आलिना साल्ढाणान सांगलें.
I think this is like a dream come true in the health sector because this Ayush dispensary is going to help a lot of people in the constituency to cope with their health problems because Ayush is an alternative medicine by way of yoga, that is exercises, by way of Ayurvedic medication. And this Ayurvedic medication will be provided free of cost. And I am very grateful for this infrastructure to the young contributors who have constructed this beautiful infrastructure by putting their heart and soul in it. I am also very thankful to the Deputy Director Ayush, Dr. Bhatt, who is so excited at the thought that today he has inaugurated the first Ayush dispensary in Goa, and the people of Kortani are lucky to have this dispensary in their constituency for their needs. Yes, I think we have come to a stage in the health sector where we have to turn to alternative medicine. And Ayush is about alternative medicine because it includes Ayurvedic medication, it includes yoga. I know that all over the state people are now rushing to yoga clinics because they have found so much relief to their aches and various other problems. So I am very happy. I am quite excited. In fact, I think if I start with my aches and pains, this is where I'm going to come. I thank our MP, Shri Shripad Naik, who has been the source, and the motivation in providing this infrastructure for us.
आयुर्वेदीक वखदांचे केंद्र चालू केल्ल्यान हांगासरल्या लोकांक ताचो फायदो जातलो अशी कुठ्ठाळे प्राथमीक भलायकी केंद्राच्या दोतोरान खोस उक्तायल्या.
जेणे करून आमचे प्रायवेसी फॉर पब्लीक फॉर पेशंट्स आमचे डॉक्टर तांचे दिवंक शकतात ती आज प्लेस मेळिल्ल्या. तशें हांवें आज मॅडमीक हायलायट केल्लें आसा की आमचो फील्ड स्टाफ जो आसा बसपाक सारको जागो ना, ती आमचे फुडें आमची एक जागो आसा प्लेस ती डेमोलिश करून ग्राउंड+1 वेर त्या जाग्यार आमी ह्युमनायझेशन सर्वीस दिवपाक, होमिओपॅथी हो जे डिपार्टमेंट तसोय आमकां सेपरेट सर्वीस दिवपाक आनी फिल्डाक ह्युमनायझेशन इज वन एक इम्पॉर्टंट हें आसा. भुरग्यांक जे आमी दिवपाक सर्वीस आमी बरे भुरग्यांक ह्युमनायझेशन दितात ती बरे तरेन दिवची, प्रोफेशनल दिवची, हो एक म्हजो विचार आसा. मॅडमीक सांगिल्लें आसा आमचे ऑनरेबल MLA ऑफ कोर्तारी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी की आनी तेणी एश्योर केला की हो आमचो जो आसा प्लेस आसा डेमोलिश करून ग्राउंड+ टॉप फ्लोर विल बी गिवन बिल्ड विदीन सुनर टायम सो दॅट आमी आमच्या कोर्तालीचे आनी सरावंडींग विलेजीस जे आसात तांकां आमी लोकांक बरी सर्वीस दिवपाक हो आमचो म्हजो प्रयत्न आसतलो.